From Oldham Volkswagen, here we have the approved used Volkswagen Polo SE 1.0 65PS EVO in a fantastic pure white finish. This very stylish car comes with a 15-inch Sassari alloy wheels, and I think they complement the exterior finish really well. The wing mirrors can be pushed in to provide safety for the vehicle, just ensuring you don't get them damaged in any way, because we all know at places like shopping centres, the parking spaces are very tight. Now, as we make our way all the way around to the back and pushing in the Volkswagen branding, we gain access to a boot. In this boot, you can fit stuff like a weekly shop because you've got enough space in there to do so. And if you need additional height, we do have additional storage space underneath, where we also have space for a spare wheel. And making our way inside the car, you can see it's been kept in great condition. It's very stylish, and you and your passengers will certainly enjoy it. And if you haven't noticed, it does come with a built-in Dashcam as well, which is a nice addition, as you can keep yourself safe on the road and just ensure that you are protected at all times. And now we have this fantastic multifunction steering wheel that enables access to your dashboard display, and it fits very comfortably in your hands as it is leather wrapped. To the right, we have the control to automatic headlights, ensuring they're on at the correct times. And then we have the central locking on the driver's door handle and the electric window and wing mirror controls on the driver's door as well. Now, turning on the engine, the car springs into life as all the displays activate, and now we gain access to this car's fantastic features. By pressing this button here, these features do include the assist system, our audio, telephone, vehicle status, and our driving data as well. And as you can see, there's 10,584 miles on the clock as well. And you can also check if your rear passengers have their belts on. Great if you've got small children. Making our way over to the infotainment screen, we have the radio, media, app connect, images, telephone, vehicle, sound, and our settings. Now, as Polos don't come standard with navigation, the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and MirrorLink gives access to that through Google Maps navigation, so you can feel confidence on every journey, and it's very easy to set up. And then coming out of that and going into our media controls, we then have access to the CD, SD card, USB 1 and 2, and Bluetooth audio, so we can keep ourselves entertained. As you can see, you have your USB inputs there that you can also use to charge devices as well. And then in the glove box, we have access to a CD and SD card input as well. Now, thanks for watching. This has been the fantastic Volkswagen Polo SE. If you'd like any further information on the car, or would like to have a look at the car for yourself, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to give you more information on this vehicle.